Mukonyi wa muraibi kiama gia chupiri Dr. Fred Matiang'i niga hene kiribu no bomo bwo kwamiriria serikali niko barachi kugendera kubwaterana ni kiumbe ky'obachori ni chimbibe IEBC kukwana magega yo gutarira IEBC kiumbe kyo Matiang'i niga tebabuna waikire hamagani abo bosibe kiumbe kyo na korokya osemeribuna ngechi gokora emirimo yaye asinjira erendonge.
I think of great significance, which we need to emphasize, is this: whatever this, we had misgivings about, the process that brought this commission on board and so on. But through this, we've had a cordial conversation, and they are public servants. In my own honest view, I've observed that there's a very serious sense of responsibility on a good number of them. And for the first time, we have agreed today, there are several lawyers who are here, we have institutionalized our interaction with them. We have agreed that we will set up a technical team on behalf of the United Opposition, and they will also appoint a technical team so that they can go through all those issues that we raised, blow by blow, and we will have another meeting to go through these issues. As long as a public and constitutional institution like this one is ready, willing, and available to engage, and as Kenyan leaders, because we are interested in the stability of the country, we are interested in the future of the country, and they are willing to engage us as we go forward. One of us said something very critical, which I need to emphasize here, that as long as they demonstrate and continue to show good faith as we move forward, we will continue to work with them, because this is important for us, important for the country, and ultimately important for the stability. There isn't an issue we did not raise, and I know because we are all pressed for time, there is no need to run down the list. Our technical team is going to produce a document, Wakili Ndewa and Jeru is here and many others, which will be shared out with the press, because we are dealing with public issues. These are not private matters. That document will be available and will avail it to the public of all the issues that we raised: procurement, security, management of the by-elections, the ecosystem within which we are now preparing for elections. And they have promised us also that they are preparing a national conference on elections 2027. And we said, fair enough, if they are going to be open and engage clearly on these issues, we also have a citizenship responsibility. We are pointing out these issues, but we have a citizenship responsibility to do our bit to ensure that we contribute and work with them to deliver a credible election, and an election that will guarantee our country's stability, because that is what we are looking forward to. I think that's all we can say at the moment, unless my colleague